For the past 2 weeks, we have been learning all about two-dimensional shapes. We have learned how to find the area of a triangle, a parallelogram, and even a trapezoid. Remember, a two-dimensional shape has bases, has heights, has lengths, and has widths, but it's flat. For example, if I was to find the area of this triangle, I need the base, I need the height, I multiply them and divide by 2. However, there's no depth to it. It doesn't come to life at you. This is a flat surface. So this is called a 2D or two-dimensional shape. This rectangle, okay, this rectangle here, this rectangle right here, for me to find the area of this flat surface, I'd multiply the base times the height. And I can find the area of this shape. It's flat. That's what we've been working on. However, now we're jumping into two-dimensional shape. What happens when now we have the length and a width, but it also has a depth to it? This is like being at the movie theater. And if you go to a regular two-dimensional movie theater, this is the traditional way you're sitting there with no glasses on and you see a flat screen. There's nothing that comes to life at you. If you were to go to a 3D theater, one thing I love about it is it feels like the shapes are coming at you. It feels like the motion picture is attacking you because now there is depth or height to those figures. Once you put those glasses on, it feels like those things are coming at you. They have depth. That's what makes it 3D. So when I'm looking around the room, there is a lot of 2D and 3D shapes. For example, this mirror is a two-dimensional shape. If I wanted to find the area of what that takes up, I'd multiply length times width. The window, that glass that's in the window, multiply how much area that takes up, length times width. This map, length times width. Now, this box is very different from this. This is flat. This comes to life because now, on top of it being a length and a width, or again a base or a height, same thing, I now also have depth to it. So this right here is what's called a rectangular prism, and it has a length, width, and a height. We are going to practice over the next 3 weeks figuring out volume and surface area. Volume is the amount of space that I can fit inside this messy thing. So how much space I can fit inside of a closet, inside of a box. That's volume. Surface area, which is our focus this week, is on how much surface this shape takes up. And for us to find the surface area of this, we want to figure out how much of this top covering goes around the entire box. So I would, and what we're going to work on today is figure out, okay, if I was to wrap this box up in paper, how much paper would I need to be able to circle this entire shape? So in this case, I want to find the area of this front shape, this top here. To do that, I would do length times width. Then I'd want to find the area of the side, the back, and the bottom. And then I would add them up and I'd figure out the entire surface area. So today, you're going to work on surface area, which is to figure out the entire covering that goes around this 3D shape. Work through each question. I give lots of videos and lots of help, and do your best through this. Good luck, guys. We'll talk to you soon.